Look here students, now I am going to explain the program 15. Okay, write a program that reads 10 integer values, then display the following. If you are going to read numbers, the numbers may be positive numbers or negative numbers. After you read the positive numbers and negative numbers, you want to classify how many numbers are positive, how many numbers are negative. For example, I give 10 numbers. Okay, my 10 numbers: minus 10, 80, 90, 1, 3, 5, minus 67, 90, 45, 78. There are 10 numbers. Okay, so here how many negative numbers? 1, 2. So twos are negative and 8 are positive. This is what we want to calculate. You are going to read the input, 10 numbers you are going to read it. And finally you are going to find how many numbers are positive and how many numbers are negative. Okay students, look all of you. You want to read 10 numbers. Okay, so I will make it count less than or equal to 10. Initially count value is 1. Enter a number. Enter a number. Okay, so here I don't put it in the mark, I will put one meaningful variable number. Okay, here students, what I need to do, if number is greater than 0, if the number is greater than 0, then what is the meaning of that? It is the positive number. Okay, so count underscore positive equal to count underscore positive plus 1. So this count, this is for calculating count positive numbers. No, initially I make it as 0. Then another one, this is for the negative. This is also make it 0. Okay, if this is the condition, if the number is less than 0, it means it is the negative number. It means it is the negative number. Okay, so I read one number students, I read one number, then I check the number is, here I read the number, I check the number is positive or negative. If it is greater than 0, it is positive. If it is less than 0, it is negative. So that I am using one counter. It is called a counter. So if it is a positive number, you increase 1. If it is a negative number, it is increase 1. So it will keep on increase whether based on the positive or negative. So this variable, no, this variable is for controlling the loop. This is the looping variable. Okay, after that I want to display number of positive, number of negative. Okay, positive, which variable you will use? This variable. negative, use this variable. Okay, now you don't want sum, remove it. Okay students, now I will run the program. Enter an integer number. I enter 90. Integer number, I enter minus 45, then 89, then 56, minus 2, minus 1, okay, and 90, 45, 67, 90, yeah, see here, number of positive is 7, number of negative is 3. Look here, these all are negative numbers. The 3 are negative numbers, that's why it gives 3.